I got this old t-shirt, and yes, it's pretty much done. It's definitely old, it's threadbare, it's definitely showing its age. Now a little backstory. This is my wife's shirt, and she's had it for the last 25 years. Instead of just tossing it out, I'm gonna frame it so that she could hang it on the wall. I already had a spare frame I made, and since I'm painting it, it doesn't matter that it's just pine. I hit it with some black spray paint. Next, measure and cut a thin piece of wood to fit inside the frame. Make sure you leave a little bit of room for the t-shirt to wrap around the thin piece of wood. So I did not like how thick this was, so I got this dry erase board. So it's already white, I don't have to paint it. It's really glossy, so I'm gonna have to sand the edges, I believe, so that the adhesive could adhere to it. Now I'm just gonna rough up the white side because I think I'm gonna actually glue the t-shirt to it. Okay guys, so now I have a piece of this fabric that I cut off the sleeve and the old board that I'm not going to use, but I just want to test this to see how the adhesive works, to see if I want to glue the whole front of it or just the back side. So what I'm going to do is spray both pieces with some of this Super 77, let it cure a little bit, and then stick it together and see how it turns out. I think that right there is going to work out nice to glue it to the front. There's no redos here, so that looks like it did all right. I'm going to spray the border here and fold these pieces over. Definitely going to have to cut some of these corners out with some razor blades because they're going to be too thick. And then I used this framing tool with these little dart things that hold anything you want into a picture frame. Now I'm going to use some double-sided tape for this paper. I've done it where I sprayed the Super 77 on there before, but this time I'm just going to use the tape. Alright, so we got a new piece of paper. I'm going to stick the frame down on it. Then you just trace it with the razor blade. There you have it. It's all sealed up. Looks nice. Once the paper was on, it was time to put the hangers on. There it is. It's all finished. And there it is hanging on the wall. Thanks for watching.